Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video we're going to talk about how to search people on Instagram by phone number or by a mobile number. So let's hop into Instagram. But first of all, let's hit that subscribe and like button. It really helps me out. So you can go to your profile in the right corner and then click on the three lines here. And then click on settings. Now scroll down until you see accounts over here. And then you gotta look for contacts syncing. Click on it. And as you can here see a swipe button. You have to click this so it will turn blue and the swipe button will go to the right. So make sure you enable it. In this example, I won't do it because I don't want to find someone by phone number and that my contacts will be syncing. But in this case, if you're watching, turn that swipe button to blue and then go back. All the way back and then click again on the three lines. Click on the lowest here, discover people. And what you can see now, you won't see this page. You will see all of the people in your contact list, of your contacts with your phone number, and you can just add people by their phone number. I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, please let me know.